Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel, Logical Living. I hope you're very excited today because we're going to be reviewing set 71818 Tournament Battle Arena. It's such a beautiful set, and I am going to be speed building it, so you will see the entire process as well. So let's get building. So look at all of this, it's so beautiful. I'm really liking the new aesthetics of this packaging. Earlier it was see-through and just very cheap feeling, and now it feels very elegant and high quality. I'm just gonna keep this here because it's flying too much. So now let's look at all the packets. Wow, there's so much. I'm very excited to do all of these 6 packets. Before we begin construction, let me just show you the manual. So let's get started. We've not even begun and I'm already impressed by the quality. Look at it, how nicely it's been defined, and look at the small details on it. I'm gonna move this a bit to the side. Let's start with Kai's minifigure. So let's look at these 2 minifigures from packet 1. Look at how beautiful they are. Especially this one. I really like how detailed the sword is. I already said that at the start, but even the minifigure is extremely beautiful. You can look at the detail. And I really like this ghost bottom. And same goes for the Kai minifigure. I really like its detail as well, and I really like this double sword staff type thing. So this is the progress we've made after completing packet 1. You can see this is the platform where the ninja and their enemies will fight, and you can see this is the 360-degree view. It looks very fancy and very cool, honestly. This was showcased in Ninjago in season 2, and you can see how beautiful it is. This controls the platform where everyone will fight, and now it's time for packet number 2. Guys, this is the stuff we did in part 1, and this is from part 2. Now let me join them. So let me show you what we got in part 2. You can see that this is like a lever which we can pull, so if something is on top it's going to fall down, so it's like a trap, which is pretty cool. And then you already saw these features, so now I think we can move on to packet 3. So So let me open packet 3. I really like how user-friendly they've made these pouches. It's much better than the plastic one. Let me open this as well. Makes it easier. So guys, what we just made in our previous part was basically like a drum, and it goes on this spot. And if you remember, we made this type of trap earlier. So now when we do this, this will fall, and it'll basically be like a very cool trap to attack people who are staying over here. And you can look at the drum. It has 2 stickers and it has a beautiful design, and I really like the way it was made. Now it's time to connect what we did with packet 3 over here. It's time for packet 4. Guys, we've finished packet 4, and this is what we've got. It's a beautiful staircase, but if you've noticed in the time lapse that when we pull, this staircase just becomes flat, so then no one can come up. So it's like a cool little trick, which I really like. The mechanism is so simple, but it was very fun building it. And you can see from this side, it becomes so flat no one can just walk up. Now, with packet 5, we just have to build onto this stairway. So let's get started. Packet 6, the final packet. So guys, here's the big moment. Let me attach this statue. And you can see how beautiful this looks. And now let me bring out the other parts. And the grand finale. So guys, I absolutely loved building this set. So you can even look at the detail. Look at this minifigure. It's just so magnificent. I've never had a minifigure with such huge arms and everything. And look at this mask. It's just very cool. And not just this, all the minifigures are very cool. Let me just put them in like their locations. Like this is Sora from Ninjago. This is Kai. I'm just putting them randomly just to show how cool they are. This is Rogue J. Well, I think you all get the idea. And this is another character which was given. And you know, this is the Elemental Master of Smoke. So overall, this minifigure is very cool. Now you can see all the tricks in action. And over here, it's just so cool. And I've really enjoyed this. And for any Lego, especially Ninjago lover, this is a brilliant set. Thanks for watching the channel and do subscribe.